Okay, so I got this lock in the mail the other day, and I tried to pick it directly out of the box. It's one that has been repinned with all serrated pins up top. However, there was an error made during the reassembly of this lock, and what you can see is there are key pins in all 6 chambers. So you can see there, all 6 chambers are full of key pins. Now, I can see in the very last chamber that there is a driver pin sticking down. So I got about 9 minutes here. I'm going to see if I can repair this lock on camera for you. Okay, so I've already got the core out. Next part to come off is the retainer clip. There it is. Okay, there's 6 key pins. The end one is actually a serrated driver pin, which has dropped down into the key pin hole. Where it belongs is in the first position, and I believe that's what's happened. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check the first position, the first chamber, and it indeed is empty. It has no key pin, I don't think. No, the first chamber is empty. The last chamber has a spring. Okay, so now we should be able to put that spring and that driver up top in this end, and the lock should be repaired. I was actually really surprised that it was still functioning with the key. Now, when you're repinning these locks, it's important to remember that these drivers are serrated, and they are intended to go with the large part in the chamber, facing up. Okay, so our shell should now contain 5 drivers and an empty last chamber. Last chamber's empty. All 5 key pins are flush when the key is inserted. And we're going to go ahead and reinsert the plug into the shell. Go ahead and lock it, replace the retainer clip, try it with the key, and there it goes, it works. We'll now drop the repaired core into the lock and the trap door. And we drop. And there we did it in 5 minutes 34 seconds. If I had my tools handy, I'd go ahead and pick this lock for you. But there it is. There's the reason why I couldn't pick it directly out of the box. So look forward to that in my next video. I'll go ahead and pick that. And thank you again, Hallis Chalmers, for the lock. As you can see, it functions fine now. It was a little iffy before, and I'm very surprised that it did work with the key. Anyways, there it is. Peace. Don't break the law.